Ito na po ang sagot regarding sa tanong na possible lalabas sa inyong final interview or final deliberation. How would you respond if you witness your senior officer involved in unlawful conduct? Ang sagot na ito ay pawang opinyon ko lamang at hindi ito nagre-reflect sa kabuuan ng organisasyon. Heto na po ang sagot. First, size up the situation at huwag mo munang pakialaman ang ginagawa niya. Baka may mangyayaring conflict between the two of you. Second, magte-take note ka ng 5 W's at 1 H. Pangatlo, maintain being disciplined at huwag ipagsabi-sabi ang mga nakikita mo. Respect the essence of confidentiality. Panguli, always respect the chain of command of your station or company. Ipaabot mo muna sa iyong first sergeant, mespo or sespo. As your first sergeant, mespo or sespo na ipapahide yung identity mo. And let your first sergeant nagagawa ng solusyon sa inyong level bilang PNCO. At kung hindi niya kaya na masolusyonan ang isang problema, that is the time na ipapaabot niya ito sa inyong commanding officer. This is not all about tolerating your colleague, but it is about the safety, his safety, and all the personal safety, lalo na sa inyong commanding officer. Yun lang po at maraming salamat and God bless on your application.